everyone, I'm Lisa Arneal from Growing Your Baby, and today we're taking a look at the Shopkins So Cool Fridge. So at Christmas time, we reviewed the Shop Mart and also the bakery. Shopkins are taking the world by storm and kids absolutely love them. They love how little they are, they love to collect them, they are awesome sets. Now, I hadn't seen the fridge, so after Toy Fair we got our hands on one, and here it is. So we're going to check it out, and then we're also going to open up a couple of the baskets from season 2 just to kind of see how we can fill this fridge. So this is how it comes, and it's really super cute. It's a little like the rest of the set, and it comes with a bunch of stickers that kids can kind of put on the front, and then it also comes with 2 special edition characters. So we've got our little strawberry shortcake, and then we also have a soda pop. So all the Shopkins come with little shopping bags, and these fit really nicely inside the set. So when you open it up, this is a great fridge, and there's lots of room in here for a lot of little characters. So this is nice for kids to kind of store all their little Shopkins, because each series has, 40 characters in it. So, if your child has already collected everything that's in season 1, we've now got season 2, and there's a lot more coming. So what's kind of cute about this is that on the door here, we've got our little eggs, and as you can see, they fall out. So they're really, really cute because they kind of teeter-totter back and forth, and they've got really, really cute little faces to match their journey. So inside here, so we've got the fridge door, which could actually hold a bunch of these little characters. And then we have 3 shelves inside, so a drawer that comes out as well. And then we've got another drawer down here that opens up. So there's a lot of storage room, but what's really cute about this set, and in each set there is something that the Shopkins can do. So in this set here, you just open this up, put this guy in, put your little ice bucket underneath, push it, and down he comes. So really, really cute. Very compact, a great way for them to kind of take their little Shopkins with them, but it only comes with 2, and that's why we thought it would be really fun for us to open up more and kind of fill our fridge. So we have 5 baskets from season 2, and then we also have a 12-pack here that shows us the first 10, and then there's 2 inside that are hidden. So let's get to it and see which ones we got. So we're looking for some sparkly ones. And these are really cute because the basket's cute because in some of the other sets, you can actually use these baskets to store your Shopkins and for helping with the shopping. So they come inside here. Our trusty map so that we can tick off all the ones that we have. So what did we get? Ooh, looks like a banana split. And what's that one called? Sweet treats. Yep, that's exactly what it's called. This is Banana Splitty. And then this here this is a Cupcake Chic. So Banana Splitty is a common one, but this one here is rare. So what Shopkins does is they give you this little code here, and it tells you with just a color code if your Shopkins is common, rare, ultra rare, or special edition. So we have a rare one and a common one here. So in this one, ooh, it looks like a chocolate waffle. This is Waffle Sue, and she is actually rare. And then let's see who we got. And this is Choco Lava. And she's common. little toaster. So this is Toasty Pop, and she's common. What else do we have here? Ooh, a little piece of pie. So this is Pecan Pie, and she is rare. So we're kind of seeing a bit of a trend. So far, we've been getting one rare, one common one. So let's see if we can get an ultra rare one. I'm kind of excited to see what's in here as well. Shopping baskets are piling up here. Ooh. This is cute. A little lamp. So this is Lana lamp. And as I was just saying, we wanted to get something more than common or rare, and we got ultra rare. She's very pretty, and you can see by her sparkly base there. We got, oh, a bunny slipper. That's really cute. And she's common, but she's so cute. It's called Bun Bun Slipper. So our last basket. Ooh, that's cute. So I feel like this one's called Cute Boot, and it is ultra rare. And then we got some toilet paper. And this guy's name is Leafy, and he's common. So there you go from our little shopping baskets. We have all these guys right here. So we will put them into our fridge. And there we go. And then we've got our little housewares. They almost need to create a house so that you can put all this stuff in it with a nice closet. We'll put our other ones that come with it in here. Our bottle of soda. There we go. All right, so the 12 pack. So we can already see which ones we have. So I like that about these because then you can make sure that you get one that has a bunch that you don't have. So in here, I have the iron. Just get their names. So we have, first we have another Leafy. And then we have Betty the Boot. Coffee Drip. A little avocado. Oh, Dippy Avocado. A little can of beans, which would be Bart Beans. Dishy Liquid. And shoes, we have Wendy Wedgie. So Choco Lava, so we have 2 of those now. Here. And then in Baby, we have this special edition one that is Fluffy Baby Puff. And that's special edition. So we'll put her up here. So all the little shopping bags to go with. And then of course our shopping basket. So that we can see what our 2 surprise characters are. Alright, I see a little face peeking at me through the plastic. I love how sweet their little faces are. Ooh, this is a cabbage, it looks like. Fruit and veg. So we have Chloe Flower, so she's rare. Let's, ooh, from the bakery, we have Mary Meringue, and she's ultra rare. So there you go. All our little Shopkins here, so we can throw them in the fridge as well. So there you have it. This is the So Cool fridge and a bunch of the different little characters that we just opened. Thank you so much for joining me, and please subscribe to our channel for more great videos.